Welcome. In this video, let's go over how to enable send read receipts on X, the updated version of Twitter. Whether you want your friends or followers to know when you've seen their messages or simply want to keep your DMs more open and transparent, this quick guide will show you exactly how to turn on this feature step by step. First, open the X app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main feed, look toward the top left corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This opens the main menu where you'll find several options to manage your account and settings. From here, tap on Settings and Support. A small list will expand underneath, so now select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can control everything related to how your account behaves, who sees what, and how your privacy is managed. Next, tap on Privacy and Safety. Inside this menu, scroll through until you find the Direct Messages option and give it a tap. The Direct Messages section controls how your messages work with other users on X, including message requests, syncing, and read receipts. Now, scroll down until you see the toggle switch labeled Send Read Receipts. When this option is turned on, people you chat with will know when you've opened their message. Simply tap the switch to enable it, and the blue highlight means it's now active. That's it. You've successfully turned on Send Read Receipts on X. From now on, when you read a message, the sender will see a small checkmark letting them know their message was viewed. It's a helpful way to make your conversations more engaging and transparent, especially if you like real-time communication. If you ever want more privacy and don't want others to see when you've read their messages, you can easily come back to this same setting and toggle it off again. Thanks for watching.